Hi, guys, welcome back to Top Capable. In today's video, we're going to share a couple of ways on how to recover deleted messages on an iPhone. So, if you've ever accidentally deleted some important text messages on your iPhone, you'll be desperate to get them back. And fortunately, there's still a chance to get them recovered on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you how you can recover your deleted iPhone texts easily. Let's get started. Alright. The first and also the easiest way to recover your iPhone messages is from the recently deleted folder. The recently deleted folder is like a trash bin on your iPhone, which will hold your deleted messages for 30 days before they get completely deleted off your device. So, when you delete text messages on your iPhone, the deleted items will be removed from your message list to the recently deleted folder. And if you want to recover them, just simply open the Messages app on your phone, and then on the upper left, tap the Filters option, and select the recently deleted. From here, you can find all the messages that you deleted in the past 30 days. So now, you can just select whatever you want to restore, and press the Recover button to get them back. It's pretty easy and fast. The only drawback of this method is that the recently deleted feature is only used on iOS 16 or later. And you can only recover the text messages that you've deleted within the last 30 days. However, the worst thing is that you have emptied the recently deleted folder on your iPhone device. But you really need them right now. If that's what's bothering you, don't worry. We got you covered. The next method to get back the deleted messages is to use your iCloud backup. If you've been using iCloud to regularly back up your iPhone, you can basically restore anything you want at any time. You just need to find the specific backup that contains the conversations you deleted. And now, I will show you how. But before that, I have to warn you that this method will require you to restore your iPhone to its factory settings so that you can use your iCloud backup on your iPhone to recover the deleted messages. In case some of you may not want to take the risk of resetting your iPhone, or you do not have an iCloud backup accessible, then you can use a third-party app, the app Geeker iOS Data Recovery, to get your deleted messages recovered. Due to the limited time of this video, we're not gonna discuss it. But I'll share its link below this video. You can click to learn how to recover your deleted iPhone messages without backup. Alright, if you don't mind getting your iPhone restored, now follow these steps to recover your deleted iPhone messages from your iCloud backup. So firstly, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Then go to General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. You'll be given two options here. To recover your iPhone messages, tap Erase All Content in Settings. If asked, confirm your option to erase your iPhone. And don't worry, you won't lose your data as you've got an iCloud backup. Wait for a while. When your iPhone restarts, follow the on-screen instructions to set up until you see the Apps and Data screen. From the option list right here, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. You're gonna sign into your iCloud account with your Apple ID and the password. And then choose the most recent iCloud backup that you made before deleting the conversations. After that, you just need to wait for the recovery process to complete. Once done, you will get all the deleted messages recovered on your iPhone. So, make sure you have an iCloud backup available, or you won't be able to use this method to recover the deleted conversations on your iPhone successfully. And just like the iCloud backup, you can also use an iTunes backup on your computer to recover the deleted text messages. Hopefully, you have synced your iPhone content to your computer with iTunes, or the recovery process won't take place. And in case you're using macOS Catalina or later, you can restore your iPhone texts with Finder instead. The steps are very similar. So now, connect your iPhone to your computer and then open iTunes or Finder. Here I'm using the iTunes on my Windows. You can basically follow the same steps on your Mac with Finder. Alright, once connected, allow your device to trust your computer, and then click on the phone icon at the top of the window. Then, choose Summary from the left side. In Finder, you need to click your device name under the Locations option on the left. After that, select the Restore Backup option. If you're using a Mac, select the Manage Backups and choose an available backup for recovery. When you're ready, confirm your Restore option and wait patiently. This process may take some time if you have a lot of content stored on your computer. Once the restore finished, you will find your deleted messages are recovered to your iPhone. If you don't have any backups at all, the best option to recover your deleted iPhone messages is to contact your carrier. See whether they can help you get your texts retrieved. However, if all these failed, you will need to use a reliable data recovery software like the iOS Data Recovery app to get back your iPhone data. So below this video, I'll drop the helpful links. You can take a look to find what works best for you. Well, that's all for this video. If you enjoy it, please give us a like and don't forget to share it with those who need it. Thanks for watching. See you.